Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Serena, or 9 miles north of Ottawa, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Silmanock, Serena, Leland, Millington, Norway, Harding, and Wedren. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.